we will write a C program to reverse a number. Suppose we have a number equals to 1 to 3, then we have to print the reverse of it, that is 2 3 2 1. So for achieving this we will require variables. First variable will be number, which will be input from user. Then after taking the user input, we will have to store the reverse of the number, so we will have one more variable reverse and one more variable called reminder. These three variables can be used to achieve this. So we have number equals to 1 to 3, we will have reverse equals to 0. Now we will calculate reminder. Let me write it in short form, reminder, which will be calculated using number percentile 10. So the value of REM is equals to 123 percentile 10 is 3. The remainder will be 3. Now we will reverse the number using reverse into 10 plus our REM. This is the formula which we will be using to reverse the number. So reverse is equals to 0 into 10 plus 3. So it is 0 into 10 is 10, 0 into 10 is 0 plus 3, so it will become 3. We will do that, and we have calculated reminder. After calculating reminder, we have calculated reverse. Then we will update the value of number by number divided by 10, so it will give our quotient in the number. So 123 divided by 10, it is equals to 12. So our new updated value of number will become 12, and we will do this until number becomes 0. So now the value of number is 12, it is not equals to 0, so we have to perform these operations from line number 19 to line number 24 again. So now REM is reminder is 12 percentile 10. 12 percentile 10 is 2. So reverse is equals to, I am substituting the value reverse percentile 10. So reverse is currently 3. So 3 multiplied by 10 plus 2, which is equals to 32. And now number will become number by 10, so 12 by 10 it is 1. Now REM is equals to 1 percentile 10, so the remainder is 1, and reverse will become 32 into 10 plus 1, which is 321, and number is equals to 1 divided by 10, and it will become 0. So our value of reverse after doing this will be 321. Let's write the code for achieving this. This is the logic, this is the main logic in line number 19 to line number 24. Let's write it in the form of code. So we will require number, reverse and REM for reminder. Reverse will be equals to 0 by default. Now printf, we will enter a number, so scanf %d for integer and the name of the variable in which we want to store this number, so and number. Okay, let's print the original number, printf. So original number percentage d, and it is stored in the variable called number. And let's have a next line here. Now while number not equals to 0 as discussed, until the value of number not become 0, we will perform these operations. So first we will calculate remainder. Remainder is equals to number percentile 10. Then we will calculate reverse, which is equals to reverse multiplied by 10 plus rem, and then we will calculate the updated value of number, which is number equals to number divided by 10. And after doing this, let's print reversed number, which is percentage d, and it is stored in the variable called reverse. Let's run our compile and run our code. So enter a number 1 2 3, and the original number is 1 2 3 and the reverse number is 3 2 1. Let's run it once more by using some other value. Let's write 4 5 6 7 8 9. So the original value is 4 5 6 7 8 9, and the reverse number is 9 8 7 6 5 4. So this is the code to print the reverse of a number. In the next video we will write the code to print sum of digits of the number. So assume we have given input as 1 2 3, so we will take each digits and add them to the other remaining digits. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equals to 6. We will do this in the next video. Until then, please like the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you very much.